Good morning, Standard 5 children. Today we are going to start our fourth chapter, inserting objects in Word. Okay, this is our fourth chapter. We are going to start today. Okay, in Word, in MS Word we can insert shapes, pictures, okay, clip art, word art. So one by one we will see how to apply all these. Okay, so I'm going to start with the first topic, inserting shapes. Inserting shapes. This is MS Word window. Okay, so wherever you want to insert shape now, first of all, bring your cursor there. Okay, so this. Okay, cursor you can see it's blinking. Now go to the insert tab. Okay, and here is shape. Okay, shapes. When you click on shapes, so it will show you 8 types of shapes. List of 8 types of shapes. Lines, block arrow, star and banners, call out, equation shapes, flowchart, basic shapes, rectangles. Okay, all are present here. Different types, 8 different types of shapes are here. Okay, so whichever shape you want, can select. Okay, so here I am going to select this smiley. Okay, now you can see pointer, it is changed into plus sign, means this is pointer to draw shape. Okay, now you know what you have to do. You have to drag mouse. Okay, shape has come. Now you can see. Okay, here you see format tab, it appears automatically. Okay, format tab, when you select a shape now, so this tab, drawing tool, format tab, it comes automatically. Okay, so shape it is here. Now to fill shape with some color, go to the shape fill. These are also can be applied. Okay, shape style. Okay, these also can be used, and there is a shape fill option. Okay, so whichever color you want, you can select and you can fill color. Okay, shape fill. Shape fill shows you many different options. Even picture can be inserted within the shape. Okay, which picture you want? I don't have pictures, children, so I can't show you. Let me see. Desktop. If I have any picture. This is our staff room picture. Okay. Within shape now, picture also can be filled. Okay. Okay. Picture, if you have pictures, pictures can be filled, color can be filled. Shape fill option gives you these options: picture, gradient, texture, whatever you want. This is okay. These are textures. If you want to add these textures into shape, so you can add through this gradient. These are gradients. Okay, gradient effects. Understood? Or simple color if you want to fill, so that can be done. Then you can draw outline. Outline is there. Okay, so for outline, first of all you have to see width of the line, means how much width of outline you want. Okay, you have to choose that. Okay, then outline color you like, whichever. Okay, so whichever color you want, it can be chosen. Clear? So this way we can format a shape. Format tool. Okay, this is format tool. Format tab, and these are options. Okay, shadow effect if you want to give. Okay, shadow, left side shadow, right side shadow, back side shadow, whichever shadow you want to. Many options are there. Okay, this is shape formatting. This is called shape formatting. And inside shape, if you want to write something, okay, do right click within shape. Okay, and there is a add text. Right click, do right click inside the shape and add text command. Click here. You can see cursor, it's blinking, isn't it? So now you can type. Okay, hello girls. So text can be written. Understood, no? Inside shape, text can be written. Okay. Now word art. Word art. I have 2007. Okay. So 2007 shows us word art. 1 minute. Bring your cursor down. Okay. Go to the insert tab. Insert tab. And this is insert tab. And here is word art. Word art. Word art option. So word art styles are here. Whichever word art style you want, okay, can be added. Suppose this one, your text is here. Hello. Hello. Okay, now you can see. Shape can be resized. Okay. It can be resized. Understood? So word art tools, automatically you can see. Format word art tools. Okay, it appears automatically. You can see this is the ribbon of format tab. Word art tool. Shape fill, can change color. Color if you want to change. Okay. Suppose this color. Okay. Shape if you want to change. Okay, the shape can be changed. Whichever styles of word art you want, so that can be changed. I hope you understood. Okay. Okay, now next topic is picture. Picture can be inserted. Now I'm going to insert a blank page. Now here. Picture. Go to insert tab. and picture option. Here is picture option. Okay, this is insert picture dialog box. Wherever is your picture, okay, click my picture, art and craft. I have some pictures in art and craft. Okay. See, so picture has come. Okay, so it can be resized, can be enlarged. Okay, these are resize handle. Resize handle, double-headed arrow. Double-headed arrow is for resizing. Is used for resizing. Okay, resizing handle. So through this you can resize. There are resizing points. Okay, here one is here, another one it's here. Okay, resizing points. So when you will hover your mouse over this resizing points, pointer will become double-headed arrow, and then you can resize your picture. Done. Picture can be resized. Then clip art. Clip art also can be inserted. Again, it's very easy. Insert picture. So clip art. Okay. Place your cursor in next line. Go to the insert tab. Insert tab. Clip art. Here is clip art option. Click on this. Right side of the window you see clip art. Pan is here. Okay. Now search for it. Is already written computer. Okay. So now you are going to get computer clip art. See, different pictures related with computer. Okay. Are here. So now select any picture here, whichever you want in your document. Okay, click. See, picture has appeared in document. Okay, this is document. Here also resizing handle. Picture can be resized. Okay, and it can be rotated. Picture can be rotated. There is a green circle point. Green circle point. Okay, over this point okay, when you bring pointer over this point now, so circle arrow comes. Okay, now what you have to do, now you have to drag mouse. Okay, so picture can be rotated through this point. Picture can be rotated through this point. Whichever style you want to rotate, it can be rotated. Okay, so it can be rotated. Understood now? Pictures, clip art pictures can be rotated. Cropping a picture. If you want to crop picture, it's a picture, or if it's a clipboard, it's a picture or a clip art, whatever it is, can be rotated. Can be cropped. Cropped means cut. Part which you don't want can be cut. So I don't think there is any part to be cut. Okay, no need. Here only in computer I cut. So here go to the size group. Okay, format tab, size group, and crop command. Click on crop. You will see that cut points have come. Okay, cut points, or you can say crop handle. These are crop handles. These. Okay, these are crop handles. So through these crop handle, picture can be cut. I'm going to cut picture. Okay, see. Bring your pointer here and drag mouse. Whichever side you want to cut. If you want to cut bun of this lady, can be cut. Understood? If you don't want this part, whichever part you don't want, it can be cut. Understood? So this is called cropping a picture. Simple. I don't think there is any difficulty in this chapter. Inserting picture, inserting clip art, these are very simple. Okay. For this we have to use insert tab. Okay. Insert tab. All options are there. Okay. Format tab, it comes automatically. Okay. Now you see format tab. Suppose this picture is selected, so its frames can be changed. There are number of frames. Okay, select frame, whichever frame you want for your picture can be inserted. Okay, several frames are there. So format tab, this is format tab. It comes automatically when picture is selected. It comes, these are frames. Okay, many options are there to beautify the picture. Okay, so this is the topic we have done today. Okay, children, revise your chapter, learn question answers. Each line is important for exam. Okay, so don't avoid anything. Go through the chapter, learn all question answers. Objective questions are coming in your exam. Learn. Okay, do study at home. Don't waste your time. Okay, children, bye.